Hello friends, welcome to CAD Master ANSYS tutorial series. In this session, we will learn the setting tools of sketching toolbar of design mode. For this, select the plane and make it as look at face. Then select sketching, select setting. First one is the grid. So select the grid. If you want to display the grid, select the show in 2D. You will notice that the grid will be displayed in a graphics area. You can zoom in or zoom out the grid by using the middle mouse button scroll. Major grid spacing. Here, this is the origin. Red arrow indicate the X direction, whereas green arrow indicate the Y direction. So major grid spacing means from these blue points, if you measure up to this line, then it will be the 5 units. That means here the unit set is meter, so it shows as a 5 meter in X distance, whereas 5 meter in Y distance. So a major rectangle shows the unit as 5 meter by 5 meter. If you want to check the units, select the units. Here the default unit as meter. So that's what here under major grid spacing 5 meter. Next, minor steps per measure. It indicates under major rectangle you will see some small rectangle. In X direction 5 rectangles, whereas in Y directions 5 rectangles. If you change the rectangle, let us consider 3, then minor step per measure shows the 3 rectangles in X as well as in Y direction. We will make it 5 again. Now snaps for snaps per minor, we have to activate any command in graphics area. Let us consider line command. So select the line, select the first point, that is the origin point. If you move the cursor in XY or in XY direction, then you will notice that the cursor is, that means the second point is the stretching point. You can locate it anywhere in the screen. But if you make the setting as under grid, if you make it on, that the snap is on, then again active the line, define the first point. Now see, it will directly jump to the next grid point. This is because we activate the snaps, that's what it directly jump to the line. If you deactivate it, and if you again choose the line, you will notice that you can freely locate the point anywhere on the graphics area. It will not directly jump to the grid to grid. Here the snaps per minor is 1. That means if you set the snaps on under grid, and if you check the snaps per minor 1, that means if you click the line, select the center point. So just zoom little bit to understand this concept. Now see, it will directly jump to the grid point, right? If we make it the value 2 under snaps per minor, you will get the changes on a graphics area. Make it 2 and again choose the line. You will notice that you can pick the point at the mid of this rectangle. Previously it will directly jump to this grid point, but we choose the snap per minor value is 2. That's what here it shows the 2 points, to jump to the grid lines. If you make it 1 and again choose the line to get the results, so see, it will directly jump to the next grid lines. This is how we work with the settings under the sketching tools. Thanks for watching the video.